I know there's not a lot of video on YouTube about this. I figure I might address it to help anybody out. So I had my Forester had an issue where it would start in the cold, and like if you park it somewhere real fast going to the store and trying to fire it back up, it would just die. It wouldn't even start. Like it struggled to start. Took me a week or two to figure this out. Actually, I went through from changing out fuel pump, fill filter. I did compression tests and everything. Nothing led to what I figured out later. So I changed out a whole assembly just to fix. I thought that's what it was at first, like between these, but I guess it wasn't. But I figured I upgraded anyway to some Dexwork fuel pump. Anyway, so I mean, there was really no code that actually came up on this. And where if you have a starting problem on these Forester, or I guess WRX or STI too, but so I found out what it was. It was this little fuel pressure regulator the whole time. I mean, I took the vacuum out to check them while the car was running, and there was, usually you get the sign where the gas is coming out of this little nozzle through the vacuum, but it wasn't doing that. What it was doing, it was not pressurizing my system at all. So I would get a lean after I shut the car off and try to start it again, and then like it would struggle to start, and like it would bug out. And the first thing you would think it would be a fuel pump or a fuel filter, but nope, it was this little thing right here. So if anybody got an issue on their Forester FXT turbo or WRX, I suggest that you change that first before you did all this like what I did. So I hope that helps.